Meaning of dew point.
Dew point.
Dew point.
Dew point.
Dew point. The dew point refers to the temperature at which the air becomes saturated with water vapor, causing dew or frost to form. At this temperature, the air cannot hold any more moisture and condensation occurs. This phenomenon is important in meteorology because it can indicate the likelihood of fog, dew, or frost forming. Additionally, the dew point can affect human comfort in hot and humid conditions, as higher dew points can make the air feel more oppressive and uncomfortable. Therefore, monitoring the dew point can be useful for various applications, including building design, outdoor activities, and weather forecasting.